Alexa, open my train and go forward.
Alexa, open my train and go to the fire station. Alexa, open my train and go to Elsa's castle. Alexa, open my train and go forward.
Really quickly explain how we were able to control our Lego train using an Echo Dot and a tablet. If anyone's interested in any of the code, I'm happy to share it, or I'm happy to help out in any way if anyone wants to try something like this. Basically, I used this right here is an ESP8266. That's what I used to get the commands from the tablet and the Echo. I did have to go into my router and configure the IP address for the device so that I would be able to receive those commands from the AWS Lambda that I use for the Alexa skill. There was a little bit of configuration there, but it was pretty straightforward. And then once it receives the request, this is an L298N, and that's what sends the directions to the train, telling it to go forward, backwards, how quickly, and so on. Over here, I have an amplifier, and over inside here, there's a speaker, and that's what plays the sounds. There's an SD card in here that has all of the audio files. And then around the track, I used these infrared sensors to let the train know where on the track it was. So I just laid them out along the track in these little cases, and then if I go here and I tell it to go to the fire station, it'll get the request, and then the train will start moving, and it'll stop once it gets to this sensor. Yeah, and so I have sensors all over the track that let me see where the train is, and I'm able to control it. I also set up so I can control the direction, move it backwards, stop. I can stop it, and I can move it forward a little bit more quickly than it was going previously. So yes, that's it. It was pretty straightforward to put together, and I found that folks in the Arduino community are incredibly helpful with answering questions. So there's a lot of really cool information out there. And yeah, if anyone wants to see all the code for this, I'm more than happy to share it. Just let me know. Thanks. Bye.